Hello and greetings to all the viewers who are watching this video. I am Ayush Banerjee, 22 years old, creative designer turned digital assets curator, now a social media content creator. I'm here to tell you that I am going to host a webinar on the Dawn of Curators. Well, I need not tell you guys that this is the golden age to be living in, to be alive, because of the free flow of information, thoughts and ideas that we have around us right now. So why not take some tips, tricks and tools into our daily habits and increase our productivity by marginal levels to make a bigger impact, to make a better impact, to enhance your own productivity. No matter which profession you are in, the tools that I'm going to talk about, the tactics and methods that I'm going to talk about are surely going to add value to your work and increase your productivity overall. So if you haven't already registered for this free webinar, please go down in the post or hit this link, or just go to this link and get yourself registered. If you think this is going to benefit any of your friends and family members, do go and share with them as well so that they can also come and join this live webinar. Do note again guys, this is a free webinar, so no restrictions whatsoever for anyone to join in for this webinar. Until then, it is me, Ayush Banerjee, your host, signing off for now. Bye bye now.